Welcome to your home, your haven, safety essentials every senior should know. This isn't just about safety, it's about protecting your independence, your comfort, and your peace of mind. In this video, we'll uncover the most important steps you can take to make your home a secure haven and ensure your daily routines support your well-being. Whether it's preventing falls, safeguarding against intruders, or building habits that keep you confident and in control, these essentials are designed to help you live life fully, safely, and on your terms. I'm Helma Christiane Bloomberg, serving seniors and their families in the Palm Springs area, Santa Barbara, the Santa Ynez Valley, and beyond. I care deeply about your safety, both in your home and during transitions like upsizing or downsizing. I also want to hear about your concerns, because your voice and your needs guide every step of the way. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to get in touch with us, so together we can ensure your home is truly your haven. And as you're listening right now, you may already be imagining how much easier life could feel when your home is safer. That's why we've prepared a free guidebook, so you can take these ideas and put them into action right away. So stay with us until the end and make sure you reach out, because that's how you'll get your copy and start making your home truly your haven. Let's talk about the essentials every senior should consider when creating a safe home. Falls are one of the biggest risks for seniors, but also one of the easiest to reduce. Motion-activated lighting in hallways and bathrooms can guide you safely at night. Non-slip flooring and grab bars in the bathroom can make daily routines more secure. And for extra protection, wearable devices like smartwatches or pendants can automatically detect a fall and call for help, even if you can't reach the phone. Today's devices are not bulky or embarrassing. They're stylish and discreet. You can wear them as watches, pendants, or even rings. They can track your heart rate, remind you to take medications, and connect instantly to responders or family members with just one touch. For larger homes, wall-mounted sensors in key areas like bathrooms, kitchens, or near stairs provide another layer of protection. Safety is not only about health, it's also about feeling secure. Smart locks let you unlock your door without fumbling for keys. Video doorbells show you exactly who's there. Window and door sensors send alerts if something isn't right. For those living in more spacious Santa Ynez or Santa Barbara homes, where neighbors may not be right next door, these features provide both peace of mind and real protection. If you're downsizing, a smaller space can be easier to manage and even safer when paired with modern devices. With fewer stairs, less clutter, and well-placed safety tools like pendant alarms or smart lights, you can enjoy freedom and independence without the worry of navigating a big house. Downsizing doesn't mean losing independence. It means gaining control in a space designed for you. If you're upsizing, perhaps creating space for family, grandchildren, or caregivers, safety devices become even more important. Larger homes mean more activity and more people under one roof. Smart locks, connected alert systems, and stove safety shutoffs help ensure that everyone is protected, from the youngest to the oldest. Families can relax knowing the home itself is working to keep everyone safe, whether it's in the kitchen, by the pool, or in the guest house. Whether you're staying put, downsizing, or upsizing, these safety steps aren't just about avoiding accidents. They're about protecting your confidence. They give you the freedom to enjoy the Santa Ynez lifestyle, the Palm Springs sunshine, or the coastal charm of Santa Barbara, with reassurance that your home supports your independence. And remember, these upgrades don't only protect you, they also add value if you decide to sell. Buyers today look for homes that are safe, smart, and ready for the future. Highlighting features like this can make your home stand out in a competitive market. When you think about the next stage of your life, whether it's upsizing, downsizing, or simply making your current home safer, you'll want to have the right tools in your hands. That's why we created this free guidebook for you. All you need to do is remember to contact us at the end and we'll get it to you. Because we're here to help, to educate, and to make sure your best interests are always protected. I truly hope this video has been helpful, and as you reflect on what you've learned, you'll realize that the next step is simple. Reach out and connect with me. Together, we'll review your personal safety needs and get your free guidebook into your hands so you can move forward with peace of mind and confidence. The sooner we talk, the sooner you'll feel secure in knowing you've taken the right step. Your safety and comfort come first, whether you're securing the home you're in or preparing for a move. If you'd like to talk about your personal safety needs or explore the right next step for you, I invite you to connect with me directly. Together, we'll create a plan that gives you confidence, peace of mind, and the freedom to enjoy life on your terms. And don't forget, just scan the Calendly QR code on your screen and schedule an appointment at a time that works best for you. I look forward to meeting with you soon.